Hi, welcome to Makbul John's kitchen. As you guys know, health is very important for your lives. For that purpose, today I want to make cauliflower with mushroom sauce. Okay guys, I'm putting my cauliflower in a little mini food processor. Like this, I already put some. Okay, I'm grinding this. That's it. Now you guys, let me show you. Just grind it. I'm taking my spoon and I'm adding this in a small pan, and I'm turning the fire. Leave it on low. Okay, that's it. I make it for one. That's why I'm taking a little of cauliflower. But if you want to make for more people, you can add more cauliflower into it. Okay guys, that's it. Okay, now I'm adding some sea salt into this, and that's it. Just salt and cauliflower. I grind it and I cover it. I'm letting it until I make my sauce, about 10 minutes. The low heat. It should be low heat, or else it's gonna burn. Okay, now in another pan, I'm turning the fire to medium. I wanna add 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I'm cutting my mushroom. I have knife. Let me take my knife. Okay, I'm slicing my mushroom. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mushroom. Just cut it like this and actually chopped. And I'm adding it to my pan. Okay guys, I chopped my tomatoes. It's grape tomatoes. It's very good. You guys can use any tomato you want, any kind of tomatoes. It doesn't matter, just tomato. Okay, I'm sauteing the mushroom, and so guys, let it for until the water gets dry, and you see the mushroom are shrinking. Okay, and this is my tomato. I already chopped it, and this is mushroom. I'm letting it until the water gets dry, and you see, now it looks beautiful. The mushroom, the water is dry. Now I am adding some 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Lime or lemon juice, it just gave it a sour flavor, but it's really make it delicious. Okay, and now I'm adding some turmeric in it. Okay, I'm adding some turmeric in this. Okay, about half teaspoon, and I'm letting this for 1 minute. It makes it smell good. Okay, I'm just letting it 1 minute, and also I'm adding my seasoning, which is 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of crushed pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper. Actually, it's a desire. I'm adding this to the side. And now I'm mixing this. I don't want to burn it, and I'm making the fire low. And I'm adding the tomato in it. It's already, it smells so good and beautiful. It looks very nice. That's it. Now I'm covering this, and I'm letting it for about 10 minutes. And I'm checking my cauliflower here, which is I cooked. Let me check this. I don't want it to get sticky. Just instead of rice, instead of rice, I make cauliflower. Look at this, just like a rice, cauliflower rice. And it's so gonna be good. Just salt and cauliflower. On this, don't add anything else because every flavor is in the sauce. When you heat it, then when I plate it, I will show you guys how to plate this. I'm letting it until my sauce is ready. The cauliflower will be ready too. So 10 minutes passed. Now I'm checking. Let me turn off my timer. And okay, guys, this is the cauliflower. I turn off the fire. Put it right here. So this is my cauliflower. It looks like rice. Believe me, guys, it will be so delicious. Let me plate this. Okay, guys, this is the cauliflower. I made it just like a rice. Some people have diet, they doesn't want to eat rice because it has lots of carb. You always can eat make the cauliflower just like a rice. And this is sauce. Ooh-la. Okay, guys, look at what a beautiful cauliflower with mushroom sauce. Now I'm tasting this because I can't wait. I'm tasting for you guys. My God. Oh my God. It's so delicious. You have to try this recipe. Believe me, it's out of this world. I think I'm in a heaven now. It's so yummy and delicious. You guys try this at home. Believe me, you're gonna like it. Because I love this food. I love it. It's so delicious, yummy. This is my recipe, my own recipe. Since 1.5 years, guys, I have to tell you that. I eat every day. I had rice with sauce, meat sauce, chicken sauce, and this stuff. I thought about that, and I tried to eat more vegetable and this stuff. And then I decorate some recipes, my own recipes. This food you see, guys, it's my own recipe, and now I'm really feel good. If you want to control your sugar, you have to try to eat vegetable. So you have to try this, really. It doesn't have so much carb. If you eat as much as you want to eat, you are good, guys, believe me. So I think I talk so much now. I have to stop. Okay, guys, until my next cooking show, subscribe my channel and comment it, please. If you make this at your homes, please comment it and tell me how is it. Is it good or bad? Because I love this, really, this food. And also, if you guys want it, just tell me what should I make for you guys. I will make more healthy food because my channel, actually, I'm making healthy food. Yeah. So until next time, bye everyone.